Make sure you're logged into playzenik.com. Select your age. Click Start Coding, JavaScript, and here you can follow along with all our examples and code along with us. Paul from TechZenik here, and in this lesson, we'll be learning about data types and variables. JavaScript reads values as types of data. There are multiple data types in JavaScript. They are booleans, which represent logical values such as true or false. The next data type is numbers, which represent a number value, such as number 7. The next data type are strings. Strings represents text of data. The data is wrapped around quotation marks. So to write a string, we can use double quotation marks and write our text data, or we can use single quotes. They do the same thing. The next type is the object type. We won't go too in detail with objects today, but keep in mind, objects represent a collection of properties or data. So we write objects with curly brackets, with a key and a value. In JavaScript, arrays also fall into this category, which is a list of data. So in this case, my list is going to be the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Next, we have our undefined type, which represents something that has not been assigned a value. We write this just with the word undefined. And finally, we have the null type. Null represents nothing. It can be written just like this, null. Now let's move on to variables. Variables are reserved memory that stores data types. When creating a variable, you assign it a name and a value. When declaring a variable, you must write const or let before the variable name. Const variables are data types that cannot be modified after your program has run, whereas let variables are data that can be modified after your program has run. Keep this in mind when you declare your own variables. So let's take a look at how we write variables in JavaScript. If I want to assign my name to a variable, we can write it like this. Const name. So name is the name of this variable. And I'm going to assign it the string Paul for my name. We use const here because my name will not change. Next, I'm going to assign my age to a variable. I'm going to write let, then the variable name, age, equal to 20. We use let here because my age will go up every year. Next, we can console log our values. We can say my name is I'm going to call my variable right here name. Now I'm going to write my age is age. So let me clear the console and rerun my code. We can see here, my name is Paul, my age is 20. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.